At PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair, we believe we provide some of the best commercial air duct cleaning in Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania. Our team of experienced HVAC contractors is dedicated to ensuring that every commercial property we service has clean, efficient, and safe air duct systems. Are you looking for a HVAC contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. Will air duct cleaning disrupt daily business operations? At PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair, we understand that minimizing disruptions is a top priority for businesses during commercial air duct cleaning. Our team works efficiently and strategically to ensure that the cleaning process has minimal impact on your daily operations. Is commercial air duct cleaning required for health or safety compliance? At PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair, we know that many business owners wonder whether commercial air duct cleaning is required for health or safety compliance. By keeping your HVAC system clean, we not only help you stay compliant where regulations exist but also create a healthier, safer environment for employees, customers, and visitors. What is your service area? Our PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair serve the following Pennsylvania locations: Springfield, Clifton Heights, Wyndom, Glenolden, Broomall, Angora, Sharon Hill, Elmwood Park, Holmes, Collingdale, Folcroft, Tinicum Township, Darby Township, Eastwick, Yeadon, Lansdowne, East Lansdowne, Millbourne, Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania. Where is your PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair office located? We are located at 642 Harper Avenue, Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania 19026, United States. Our phone number is 610-672-3046. Visit our website, https://pjmachvac.com/drexel-hill-ac-heating-repair-install/.